Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean the Pure Water Mini Classic CT Home Water Distiller. I've owned this distiller since 2018 and absolutely love it. So much so that I became an affiliate for Pure and Secure and am able to offer you a 5% discount on your order when you use code RAWINTUITION when you check out. I truly feel this is the best countertop distiller on the market, and it's extremely easy to clean and take care of. What you'll need is a clean solution, which I like to use distilled white vinegar, and boiling water. The first step is to remove the boiling tank and empty out any water that might still be in it. And then you're going to want to add your white distilled vinegar. I like to fill it just up to the ledge so that the heating element is completely covered. Then I fill the rest of the boiling chamber with the boiling water that I heated in my tea kettle. I then place the lid on the boiling chamber and let it sit for 12 to 24 hours. The next day, I empty the vinegar solution from the boiling chamber and put on a glove and gently scrape the sides of the boiling chamber to help remove and loosen up any of the scale. Then I add some more water to the boiling chamber, shake it up, and then pour it out. Depending on how built up the scale has been, you should get some chunks coming out, as you can see here. Depending on how long I go between cleanings, it can take 1 to 3 cycles of this cleaning process. As you can see, there's still quite a bit of buildup on the heating element, so I'm going to repeat this process one more time. So I add my vinegar again, then I put in the hot boiling water from my tea kettle, and now I'm going to let it sit again for another 12 to 24 hours. The next day, I pour out the vinegar solution, put on my glove, loosen up any remaining buildup that might be in there, and then I rinse it out one last time, and it's good as new. I can now place the boiling chamber back in the distiller, and it's ready to continue providing us with clean drinking water whenever we need it. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Leave any questions you have below. And again, you can use Raw Intuition as a discount code when you purchase any of the distillers from Pure and Secure or Aqua Nui. Link in bio.